For this build, we're going to have, these are all 5.5 wide, standard cedar picket. We're going to have 10 inches for the back, 2 of the sides, one end at 7 inches, the other one at 6 inches. Then this one is 7 inches. This is the roof, and I just cut a little bit of an angle there so that the roof can open up to clean. This will be the front. This is 6 inches. And this is the bottom, which will be 4 1/4. All right, the front is 6 inches by 5.5. And I've measured 2 in the center, 2 1/4 down, and 2 3/4 across. So that will be your center for the hole. And I put an 1 1/4 hole. We're going to take our back. This one here's got some writing on it. It can go on the inside of the birdhouse. So for this, I'm going to use Titebond 3. Put a link in the description. And I also use this GluBot. This is it's actually pretty nice. You can have it upright like that to glue your pieces together. But I'm using Titebond 3. It's waterproof. I'm going to set that up. Make it flush. Throw a brad nail in here. Okay, there's the one side. I'll do the other side. Okay, I'm going to put some glue on. Again, make sure it's flush on the side. Make sure you keep your fingers back. All right, we're going to put the floor in. Do that next. I glued the 3 sides. Glued all 3. And I'm just going to put a couple nails in there just to hold it on each side. Remember, keep your hands back. And you could use screws if you wanted to. I would pre-drill the holes if you're going to use screws. Put the front on. We're just going to glue across these 3. Just flush everything up. Shoot a couple brad nails. I'm going to drill just a couple drain holes. And I'm going to drill a couple back here that'll go into the box. Just for a little bit of a vent. Okay, we've got our holes drilled in the bottom. We got a couple on the back. So now we're going to put the roof on. And you see I have just a little bit of an angle. Just put it on the miter saw and just barely took a little bit. Again, I think it was about probably 10 degrees. So now I'm going to put, I don't know if I ought to put one hinge or two. I think I'm probably going to put two on here. So let me mark these out. I've measured it 2 3/4 to the center. That's where the center of the hinge is going to go. Okay, so I'm going to put that on. I'm actually going to do a time lapse because with these tiny little screws, it's going to probably be pretty painful to watch, but comical. There you have it. A simple birdhouse made from one cedar fence picket, 6 foot, and you have about maybe 1.5 feet left over. So you can just use it for scrap wood if you want. If you have a piece of scrap wood laying around, I think it was like 42 inches. Probably, I'll put all the measurements in the description. But this is a very easy project, except for that. But this would be a very good project to do with your children, your grandchildren. You know, hope you like the video. Hope you subscribe, comment. Let me know if you build it, what you would maybe build different on it. And leave it in the comments if you tag me on it. I appreciate it. I hope you like this video and stick around to see what we build next week. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.